That miss like what? Boy, we can't bother do this sometime. Yeah, go up wait name there? No, which part you normally go? Well see, remember your indicator up, so but you don't remember it now. Can you believe this? Can you believe it that this guy is... No, he's not my first student, you know, but he's one of my students. Yo, me I tell you, me impressed the fact that, yo, you can teach somebody. You can teach somebody from level 0 come straight up to this. Look at the man. This is what I love, yo. You don't even know star. This is what I love, bro. Yeah, bro. It's just so awesome when you can bring somebody into something that they've never experienced and then just completely fall in love with it, brother. You see me? This is what I'm talking about, man. Bike life, bro. Yes, sir. Enjoy. I've never taken this route before. I've never taken this road before, so let's see where it takes us. Left turn. The man all put on him knees there. The man all oh, I know where this takes us. I know where this takes us. No, this I take we out through Barbican, Wilmont. A Wilmont run as a name? Yes, okay. I've never taken this route before, for reals, man. For reals, man. I've been up here, but I've never really gone up on that road like that, you know. Yeah, man, we know it's a right turn, youth. To them, man, I know they're thinking I know say a right turn right a road about. Hold on, is that right turn even allowed right there? Yeah, you see it. When I see a car do it, I know me can do it. Outside. Let through that carrier, let him through. Yeah, he can go on, man. So I don't have him out there in the road. Hey, you need to come in back, you know, boy. Trimmer moves as the van man a cause. So there you go, boy. Don't worry about me, bro. I'm good. Take time, choppy line. What are those? One day more. Hey, say, hey. Hey, oh, say, if you come in back on for your side, I walk. Man, why the delivery rider them don't wear helmet, yo? Come in back, yo. Lord God, this man taking chances, man. Jesus Christ. We got a hammer. Is it a hammer or something ugly here? I don't know what that is. Hey, Magocho! Magocho, you're fun! But all they do is sit around a while ago still. Me have the video to show him back. Can't go between them. Well, I can, but for me alone I do this, you know, that traffic get done a long time, you know. Think I ram? No, don't mean lad. God, you cut off the people them. You song that, yo song that. Why I mean, you cut off too much driver, brother. Like you put yourself in the arms if you get rear-ended, bro. Can't do that. Take your right, man, take your right. Gear down, gear down. You're not, the gear we ain't not too high. You're not, the gear we ain't not too high. Second gear round the corner there. Go on. I burn the corner and I gear too high. What that? Oh yeah, when I'm light then now work. So I check it when I reach home. Left. Alright, me I go in a brother. Oh, me I go Constant Spring way. Is that right? Me normally take your say no? Is that right? Yeah. Alright. Little more. Watch your road. I know you just turn on it. Come back, man. You turn on the gate. Sure.